Daddy.
Right. When Mommy tells me. 1, 2, 3.
I made myself a snowball as perfect as could be. I thought I'd keep it as a pet and let it sleep with me. I made it 7 pajamas and a pillow for its head. Then last night it ran away, but first to wet the bed.